Hey guys, so today I wanted to show you uh, the motion blocks. So the first one will move 10 steps right here. So it'll just go into a positive place. It'll never go negative, except when you turn it minus 10 steps. Then it just moves back. And it'll go minus. So yeah, and then the next motion, and then the next block, the turn block. It'll just turn you. And if you really want to see, this is the X. I mean the direction it's turning. So you could just turn it around. And yeah, that's it with the turn blocks. And you could change this to a different number like that, but that's not a number. If you add like letters, then it'll never work. This is working weirdly, but it's working, so cool hack. And go to random position. It'll just go to a random place. Go to mouse pointer right here. It's coming to us. So if you put this into a forever loop, it'll work better. See? Boom! It's just following you. Then the next block. So the next block is just go to your place. Go to the middle. Well, that's easy. 0, 0, and go. It's right there. So it's useful if you want to spawn point or anything. Okay, the scratch cat is staying like that. Glide 1 sec to random position. So it's just gonna glide to a random place. And this much time. You could turn that into like faster or slower, like 100. Glide 100 seconds to my mouse pointer. That's a long time, so it'll never work except after 100 seconds. And then glide 1 sec to your place. You know, so it's kind of cool if you want something to move someplace. Then point in direction, that just fixes your direction. And that's like a set block, set direction to 90 basically. And then point towards mouse pointer, that'll just change the direction to the mouse pointer. And change X by 10. Well, that's basically the same as the move step block. So yeah. Set X to 40. Well, that's just gonna set your place to wherever you put this. It's just gonna set the X. It'll just change this. See over here? Yep. Change Y by 10. Well, that just makes you go up. Minus, then you're just going down. If on edge bounce, I just have to go here to do it. Yes, it worked. So it just bounces you off of the edge. Wait, let me get a better version. Bouncy, why doesn't it bounce? It should bounce, except it doesn't work. Go to mouse pointer, and then let's put random position. So it's gonna keep bouncing. Let's take it here, bounces off. So it's basically like the thing for you to not get stuck anywhere and go off screen. Set rotation style. Don't rotate. So it'll just set that rotation style all around. So rotation style is basically how it's gonna rotate. So it's kind of helpful for like the arrow keys, because that'll help, you know. And then the last 3, X position, Y position, and direction. So the direction is basically just the direction it's in right now. X position is supposed to be this. So that kind of will help. Wait, it didn't work. So this is kind of helpful if you want to get the exact position. And then this is the Y position. Basically this. But it's actually this, so that's kind of weird. But yeah. And that's it for today's video. Bye bye!